Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock which forming 3 consecutive higher high using charting scanner that we are going to filter out the stock that we can use the stock for tomorrow's trade, 3 consecutive higher high on daily basis. Maybe a investment kind of trade which we can focus, or for tomorrow intraday purpose also we can use the same stocks. And let me find out these stocks which forms a pattern and daily consecutive higher highs, and that kind of pattern will help you to make a positional trade. So let me look at as Jindal Steel. Here on that Jindal Steel we have a many times such a pattern is forms on the stock. The first one here we can see there is a 3 consecutive higher high bars, and then it broken above that high, and it was a nice move. And again another one which is forms at this time, and the third one we are focusing 2 days back, but that was not giving you entry. Instead of that it reversed back, and now again the same stock which present the same kind of pattern. And let's look at this stock. It is forming that pattern at highest level of the trend, so even less chances the stock may continues the uptrend. Already it moved some big from 330 to 470, big up, and even it maybe continues the trend. Such a kind of stocks which we are going to find out here, and we are going to uh, analyze the stocks here on this video right now. The first one which I'm focusing in, VEDL. Today it forms a 3 consecutive higher high, where you can see the stock which forms 1, 2, 3 consecutive highs, and it was in a middle. From the top is 320 and the bottom is recent bottom is around 255, and middle 297. The stock forms such a pattern. So there is a good opportunity where we can focus on VEDL from this high, and the risk is high because we are comparing 3 consecutive bars, almost 25 points. For an investment kind of trade, we can focus this VEDL for a buying opportunity over and above the today's high is around exactly what was the high today. It made somewhere around 299. If it has crossed about 299.5 tomorrow, we can use for an trade opportunity, and we keep the stop loss below the low of 285 if we are focusing for an intraday kind of trade. An investment where we can keep the stop loss around 273. The same pattern, how many stocks which forms such a pattern that I'm going to discuss here, right? One is VEDL and Alchem Laboratories. That is what the trade which we have done in an intraday, and it is about a 15 minutes scalping scanner. At this level it triggers the high, but it was targeted trade, but we made some shooting star. We booked out earlier, and it went higher as per the strategy of 15 minutes scalping scanner. The same one, the same pattern on 1, 2, 3 on 15 minute basis, but here we are focusing on daily basis. Let me look at the risk reward, and that stock is a huge one, almost 200 point, almost 6%. So the breakout happening at this high level of 3225, we can go for a buying opportunity. And if in an intraday, about 100-point risk for the trade. And again the same pattern which is present on the stock Alchem Laboratories. The third one is 𝐒𝐻. Lot of stocks which forms such a pattern, but 𝐒𝐻 that is formed at a lowest level could be a great opportunity for investment performance or investment purpose of trades. So from the top of 172, it is what in the bottom. At this level, it forms such a pattern. So this is what entry point. We can keep the stop loss, and it looks good for an investment kind of trade. The entry point should be over and above 144.2, and the stop loss is around 137. So small risk, and there is a good opportunity to buy 𝐒𝐻 at the lowest level. 6 rupees is the stop loss, and 4% the risk for the trade. So if it is breaks tomorrow, so there is a good opportunity on 𝐒𝐻. And Balram Chini also today performed well, and the same one which is forming the pattern, 3 consecutive higher highs, and the breakout above 337 we can focus for, and the stop loss we can keep 328 for intraday, and positional we can keep 307. From the bottom, after the correction, after the downtrend, there is a reversal. At this bottom should be the best opportunity where we can buy, and we can expect the stock can go 360 level. And then Hindalco, lot of stocks, Hindalco, Sun Pharma. Let me check whether Hindalco 1, 2, 3. The first one is a doji kind of thing. So spinning top, you can avoid Hindalco, Sun Pharma, same pattern which is present on Sun Pharma. Let's look at that. But it is happening on the highest level. Daily it is keep on increasing and it forms the highest level. So we find this one for a reversal opportunity also, because it is in the top level from this bottom of 860 went up to 1060 level right now. So there is a continuation above that level of today's high, and we can focus for a selling opportunity or reversal pattern. If it is forms any negative candle after and breaks the below the today's low, that one is a 1072, 1032. 32 is the low, 1032, and 1071 above we are focusing buy. And Lara's Lab, that is another one we are focusing. The consecutive higher high. So this is what another good one. So at investment purpose also we can use for a Laura slab that entry point over and under 479.7. The risk also be very small. Let me go for what was the risk involved in this trade. Laura slab 32.6%, and it is a big drop in a quick session. Maybe the recovery, and it may be going down to 500 level very quickly. So if the pattern continues, so the stop loss we can keep below the level. So IEX and Lara slab which we can focus for an investment purpose. And Haro Pharma is another one which forms such a kind of pattern, and it was an already high, very big rejection at this point where it is rejected very big. So we maybe ignore this one. And JK Cement, Bata India. So a lot of stock which forms such a pattern. Bata India. Bata India, after forming a doji, there is a reversal, bullish reversal at this time. Once it is crossed about 1866, we can buying for a buying opportunity, and we keep the stop loss below 1800. So that is what another good one in Bata India. And Jindal Steel also forming such a kind of pattern, and few days back also Jindal Steel forms that we have already seen, and again here. And a lot more stocks. National Aluminium, same thing which is forming here, 1, 2, 3, and the rejection is happening at this third candle. We wait for that. Aarti Industries, same one, after the big gap down. Because it's not a big gap down, I think it is a split, and it is keep on continuous. And this is also be looks good here at this point 729 with the stop loss below 692. The daily basis time. And Vsoft, that is also we are tracking today, and that is one another one which is forming a good pattern at the bottom after the correction. So this is also looks good for a buying opportunity at this level 280 with the stop loss below 264. And LNT, another one is LNT. These are the stocks which forms such a pattern that may be useful for our intraday. LNT is not happening at this. Why it is showing on the scanner? This is not the right one. LTTS, I think. LTTS, let me go for LTTS. Yeah, LTTS, it after two consecutive highs, there is a spinning top. There may be a reversal we can expect if it is goes down below 3588, and if it is goes above 3640. These two, LTTS and LNT, is not a good one. And Birlasoft, Aarti Industries, and like that one IEX, and these are the stocks which we can focus for a good opportunity. Even the same stock will have the potential to give you some intraday trade opportunity for tomorrow. I hope you may be enjoying this video, and these stocks may be filtered by the stock charting scanner. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any other questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.